saw my orthopedic surgeon because I was having quite a bit of pain in my hips and knees. And they said, oh, I'm going to need both hips replaced and both knees replaced. And I didn't want to be laid up for 2 years, so I started researching alternative treatments. And I came in, I saw a seminar on regenerative medicine, and I came in and I tried it on the hips, and it worked wonders. Really, I saw, within a month, I saw definite improvement.
How long ago was that?
That was in April.
In April, okay.
Yep.
And within a month you felt?
I could feel the difference. The pain was gone, and I could walk better without the stiffness and the pain that I had. I have seen relief in my neck and shoulders. Used to be, I'd turn my neck left or right, it sounded like crackers crunching in my neck. That's gone away. And so I'm looking forward to seeing what happens with the knees.
How long did it take after we did the procedure that you started to notice results in your in the hip area?
Within the month.
Within the month, all right. Yep. And you were able to increase your daily activities?
Yes, I have, yep.
Your quality of life has gotten?
Quality of life has improved drastically. We were even considering selling our house and moving into a one-level house because of the stairs. The stairs are no longer a problem.
All right.
So we're staying where we are.
Okay, Dan, thanks for sharing your story.